So next, step response of RC circuits. So when we say step response, so may supply na to. Okay? So when the DC source of an RC circuit is suddenly applied, the voltage or current source can be modeled as a step function. Okay? So step function. And the response is known as the step response. Okay? So the unit step function, U of t. So take note, yung unit step function, mamimit din natin siya sa mga ibang major subjects, advanced math, etc. Okay? Unit step function, U of t, is 0 for negative values of t and 1 for positive values of t. So, kapag nakita kayo ng ganito, U of t, that is equal 0 siya sa lahat ng value ng t less than 0. Okay? So, time is negative, so 0 siya. But, if U of t is equal to 1, so t is greater than 0. Okay? So, dun lang siya may given na value. Okay? Sa t greater than 0. Okay? Okay? So, ganito yung graph ng unit step function. That is 0 kapag less than 0, kapag greater than 0, that is equal to 1. Unit step. Okay? Of course, kapag may multiplier ka na 20, 10, or 5 dyan, 5, mamumultiply din to. So, kung 5 yan, t greater than 0 is equal to 5, of course. Okay? So, pwede rin to makakita ng ganito, no? U of t minus t naught. Okay? So, kumbaga sa, nalipat, nag-shift, no? Instead na 0, nag-shift sa t, t naught, no? T sub naught. Okay? Kung kailan siya mag-turn on. Okay? So, t less than 0, less than t naught is 0. So, t greater than t naught is equal to 1. Okay? So, ito ay kapag delayed by t naught. Kapag naman advanced by t naught, so nandito, no? That is equal to negative t naught, no? Okay? If that is less than negative t naught, so that is equal to 0. If that is greater than negative t naught, that is, yan yung time na magte-turn on siya. Okay? That is equal to 1. Okay? So, ito yung sinabi ko pala kanina, no? Unit step is actually equal to 1. So, kapag may multiplier kang constant na 5, for example, so, that would mean multiplication of 5, okay, in your unit step, okay? So, step response of RC circuits. So, the step response of a circuit is its behavior when the excitation is the step function, DC source. Kapag ang supply mo ay, kapag may supply, tsaka yung supply ay DC source na. Okay? So, it could be a voltage or current source. Okay? Pwedeng ganito yung given o pwedeng ganito. Okay? Naka-multiply sa unit step. Okay? So, magkaiba to class yung B sub S na ganito, tsaka yung B sub S times U of T. No? Tandaan nyo, kapag unit step, nasi-zero siya at T less than 0. Okay? So, next, ano to? B naught, no? Or B of 0, that would be the initial voltage of capacitor. Take note that yung B naught, yung tawag din sa initial voltage ng capacitor, equal din yan, no? Dun sa voltage ng capacitor before closing the switch or the moment of closing the switch. Okay? So, pare-pares lang yun. Okay? So, when we say complete response, it consists of a transient response and the steady state response. That is the temporary part, yun yung transient response. and yung permanent part, that is the steady state response. Okay? So that kapag voltage that is equal to transient plus steady state, no? When we say transient, eto yon, V naught minus yung V sub S times e to the negative t over tau plus yung V sub S. Okay? At t greater than 0. Pag sinabing transient response, it is a circuit's temporary response. So, temporary, transient, okay? That will die out with time. Kapag naman steady state, kasi ito yung, yung, di ba, yung inaral natin, transient, bago mag steady state, transient period muna. So, syempre, yung pagkadating ng steady state, no? So, pagkadating ng steady state, dire-diretso na yun. Steady state na yan, forever na yun. O kaya naman kapag namatay, no? Steady state na yun, forever na. Yung transient, saglit lang yun, no? So, pag sinabi steady state response, behavior of the circuit, a long time, no? A long time after an external excitation is applied. Okay? So, ito kailangan natin dito, class, yung complete response. Ito. Okay? Kung may tinatandaan tayo sa source free, dito rin, sa step response. Ito rin yun. No? Ito naman yun. Okay? So, again, meron din siya initial voltage. Kukunin natin to at t equals 0. And then, infinity, voltage, infinity. No? It is the final or steady state value. Okay? So, dalawa. Actually, 1, 2, tsaka yung tau ulit. Okay? Kaya ang tinatandaan natin dito, kapag kukuha tayo ng step response ng RC circuit, the initial voltage times itong infinite voltage at infinity of the capacitor. Okay? That is a final capacitor voltage. And then, yung time constant, tau. Siyempre, pag kumukuha tayo ng time constant, makuha din natin yung RTH. Kukunin din natin yan. No? So, bali apat. No? Okay? Kunin natin din yan. So, take note, B infinity plus quantity B initial voltage minus final times quantity e to the negative t over tau. Okay? Tasa natin. Ngayon, if the switch changes position at time t equals t naught. Okay. Okay? Kapag ito ay na-delay, no, na-delay, no. Instead of t equals 0, there is a time delay, yan, time delay in the response so that the equation becomes this, no. Instead na t over tau, magiging t minus t naught, no, over tau. Take note of that. Okay? So, yun. Ano yan? Okay. So, solve natin tong example na to. So, the switch in figure below has been in position A for a long time. No? At t equals 0, the switch moves to B. Okay? Determine B of t for t greater than 0 and calculate its value at t equals 1 second and t equals 4 seconds. Okay? Dahil niya hinahanap. Okay, solution. Okay, umpisahan natin. Ang hinahanap ay B of t. Okay, B of t. Pero class, paano ba natin malalaman na itong problem na to ay step response? Okay? Tignan nyo class. At switch A, may supply yung capacitor. Ayan o, yung 24 volts. So after that, t greater than 0, i-switch na natin sa B. Di ba? O, nawala yung supply na 24 volts. Pero, yung kinonect natin siya later on, pag kinonect natin siya sa switch B, meron na naman siyang supply. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang supply all throughout. No? Yun ang step response sa RC circuit. Meron siyang supply. Wala dito yung dinisconnect yung supply, so sariling energy niya yung magiging supply, hindi ganon. Ito ay step response, kumbaga may supply talaga. Okay? So B of T, yan, step response yan kasi mapa-switch A o so switch B, may supply siya, no? O at T greater than 0, meron siyang supply. Yun. B of T is equal to infinity, so B of infinity plus B of 0 minus B of infinity e to the negative t over tau. Okay. So, saan natin unahin? Sa initial voltage, so at t less than 0. Okay? At t less than 0. Ano ba ang switch niya at t less than 0? Okay. 24 volts. 3 kilo ohms. 5 kilo ohms. And then, switch A, di ba? Open yan. Open. Open kapag capacitor. Okay? So, switch A, open capacitor. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, voltage drop lang siya ng 5K, no? So, voltage drop siya ng 5K. So, voltage drop yung initial voltage ng 5K, which is actually in voltage divider principle, no? That is equal to 5K over 3K plus 5K times 24. Okay. Ano sagot? That is equal to yung initial voltage ay walang iba kundi 15. Okay. Next. Nakuha na natin ang initial voltage. So, next ay switch B na. Lagay natin sa switch B. Okay? Dito ko nalalagay. Sorry no, may sagot pala to. At switch B, no? At switch B, magiging ganito, no? Ito yung 4 kilo ohms. Ito yung 0.5 millifarad. Okay? So may ano siya may supply, no? So yung R, walang iba kundi RTH 4 kilo ohms. Okay? Ayan na yun. Yan na yun eh. Okay? And then, of course, yung L, ano yun? Tau pala, tau. L. Tau that is equal to RC yan, RC. RC. That is equal to 4K times 0.5 milli. So that is equal to 2 seconds. No? Yung tau is equal to 2 seconds. Okay? So meron ng initial voltage, meron ng tau, B infinity na lang. Okay? So paano natin kukunin yung B infinity. So, syempre, pag tumagal na siya, B infinity, no, sa supply, magiging ano na to, ang tawag dito, yung capacitor, so at T greater than 0, take note to, so B infinity, no, yung kanyang capacitor is open. Okay? So, magiging steady state na uli siya. Okay? So that pag ni-redraw ko to, open, ito yan. Ano na yung B infinity? Okay? So, open yan, di ba? Kapag open yan, class, wala na sa isa ito. Okay? Mawalan na sa isa. So, parallel lang siya dyan. So, B infinity is equal to 30 volts. No, 30 volts. Okay? 30 volts. Kaya naman, makuha na natin yung ano, kumpleto na, di ba? Kumpleto na yung B of T natin. That is equal to B infinity minus yung initial voltage. Ano initial voltage natin? Initial voltage ay 15. No? 15 minus 30. Wait. Plus 15 minus 30. E to the negative t over tau, which is 2 seconds. Okay? Tama. So, this one is 30. So, 15 minus 30, negative 15. No? 30 minus 15 e to the negative 0.5 t. That is in volts. Okay? Yan yung V of T. So, pinapakompute pa, ano daw yung voltage at T equals 1. So, B of 1. No? Solve nyo lang, no? At T equals 1, yun to, 20.9. 20.9 volts. Okay? Palitan nyo lang ng T ng 1. May isa pa. B of 4. 27.97. Ay God. Volts. Ayan, sakto. No? Ayan sila. Okay? So, naintindihan, class? Yan. Sige. Okay, next. So, in figure below, the switch has been closed for a long time. Okay? Okay, closed to. So, yung close siya, may supply siya. No? And is open at T equals 0. Ngayon, yung inopen siya, wala na siyang supply nito. Pero take note, may supply pa rin siya dito. So, hindi nawawala yung supply niya. That is step response of, take note, RC circuit pa rin. Okay? So, hinahanap, find I and B for all time. Okay? So, kukunin natin yung I tsaka voltage. at pares na 0. O class, may binigay na unit step. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? No? That is equal to 0 daw yan at t less than 0. Pero 30 yan at t greater than 0. Okay? So, at t less than 0, yun muna, no? At t less than 0, unit step function yan. At t less than 0, wala siyang supply dito. Kasi 0. So, shorted lang to. Dito, ay redraw ko na lang. No? Para bago magkalituhan. Yeah. Okay. So, hinahanap natin ano yung I nito. Kasi, of course, yung voltage drop nito. Okay. Of course, kapag ito, open lang to. Okay, consider natin for a long time. Okay. Ito. Ay, sorry. Initial voltage. Okay. Equal lang yung initial voltage sa 10, no? Okay? Kitang-kita dito, no? That is, initial voltage is equals to 10 volts. Ayun, parallel lang yan, no? Okay na yan. And, yung I, yung initial voltage yan, di ba? Kukunin din natin yan kasi for all time, di ba? So, ano magandang gawin dito? Di ba? Parallel lang to dito, parallel lang dito, di ba? Parallel, ibig sabihin, yung voltage ng 10 ohms, okay, is equal to 10 volts, no? Kasi parallel to dito, no? Parallel din yan, no? Ayusin mo lang yan, no? Parallel na yan. Ibig sabihin, pag kinuha natin yung I, ohms law lang, no? Voltage across 10 ohms is 10 volts divided by 10 ohms, di ba? So that it is 1 ampere. Ito ito yung supply. Di ba? Ang supply niyan, papunta dito. Okay? Paikot yan, no? Pero yung binigay niyang direction ng I, papunta doon. Okay? So, it means, hindi yan 1 ampere. Ang sagot dyan, negative 1 ampere. Okay? Magiging negative 1 yan dahil sa direction niya. Okay? Pero kung papunta yung direction niya dito, pakaliwa, 1 ampere lang yan. So, nag-negative 1 yan kasi nga, yung supply dito, no? Naintindihan? Sigurado yun kasi wala namang ibang supply na eh. Okay? So, meron na initial voltage. Okay. Try natin ilagay sa kasya pa ba dito? Teka lang, pag-drawing natin to. Dito na natin drawing para makita natin. Sa kabila. Okay, continuation. So, at t greater than 0, di ba? Gawin natin ito, 30 volts na to yung equivalent kasi at t greater than 0, 1 yan. 1 times 30, 30. Ay. Mamaya na natin kunin yung hindi, ngayon na, yung R. Okay. Pag kinuha natin yung R, maano to, magsisiro yung mga ano, yung mga supply. Ito. Okay? Magsisiro ang supply kapag kinuha natin yung R. This is 10 ohms. This is 20 ohms. And then, ito yung capacitor na 1/4 farad. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, yung RTH ay equal sa parallel ng 10 saka 20. No? So, 10 that RTH is equal to 20 over 3 or 5 over 3 ohms. No? 5 over 3, tama ba? Ay, 20. 20, mali yung solve ko. 20 over 3. Tama. Kaya yan. So, makuha na natin yung time constant. No? RC, that is 20 over 3 times C, 1 over 4. That is 20 over 12. Ayun, 20 over 4 is 5. 5 over 3 seconds. Okay? Next, B of infinity. Yung pagkuha ng B of infinity, again, babalik siya sa pagiging steady state. So, open. No? Magiging open. Okay, this is 10 ohms. This is 20 ohms. Okay? Oh, by voltage divider principle lang din. Kasi yung voltage across the capacitor, okay, yan yung B infinity, equal dun sa voltage across 20 ohms. No? Okay? That is voltage drop. So, this one is 20 over 20 plus 10 times 30. So, B infinity is equal to, hindi 20, cancel na pala to, 30. Okay, so, yung B of t is equal to, at t greater than 0 to eh. So, B infinity plus initial voltage, yung initial voltage. Nakuha natin initial voltage 10, no, 10. 10 minus 20 e to the negative t over tau. Tau is 5 over 3. So, B of t equals 20 minus 10 e to the negative 0.60. Okay? Next, kunin natin yung I. Yung I, di ba ito? Okay. Take note yung I. Ano to? By KCL to. Okay. By KCL, I is equal to, di ba? Equal siya sa lahat ng pumasok dito. No? Di ba? Equal siya lahat yan. Ibig sabihin, voltage drop ng 20. B, voltage drop ng 20. Current across 20 ohms. Okay? So, that is, ang voltage nito ay voltage ng capacitor. V of T over 20. Yan. Plus, yung voltage ng capacitor, CdV over dt. Okay? CdV over dt. Plus, okay, papunta dun, no? Okay, papunta dun. Open na pala to. Sorry. Wala na pala to, no? Open pala yan. Itong dalawa lang. Okay. Ay, naku, wala tayong space. Ayun, may isa pa. Okay. So, yung I of t is equal to voltage. Ano ba yung voltage na nakuha natin? 20 minus 10 e to the negative 0.60. Tama? Yeah. Divided by 20. No? Plus CdB, so 1 over 4. Then derivative ng B. Ito. So 20, so negative 10. Okay? Times negative 0.6. E to the negative 0.60. Okay. So this is 20 over 21 minus 10 over 20, 0.5 e to the negative 0.60. Ito naman, negative 10. Plus 1.5 to. E to the negative 0.60. Ampere. Okay? So this one is 1.5 minus 0.5 plus 1, plus 1 e to the negative 0.60. No? So ito yung IT. Okay? So bale, yung overall kasi nahanap for all time. Yung I of t is, ang value niya sa t less than 0 is negative 1. Okay? Ang value naman niya at t greater than 0, di ba itong 1 plus e to the negative 0.60. Okay? Next. Yung B of t naman is equal to, yung kanina, ang value na nakuha niya is 10 at t less than 0. Okay? Ang value naman niya dun sa t greater than 0, 20 minus 10 e to the negative 0.60. That is a t greater than 0. So, pag for all time, yan, ganyan yung gagawin. No? Naintindihan ba? Baka may question. Walang question? Sige, lipat ko na. Okay. So, next. The switch in figure below is closed at t equals 0. Find I of t and b of t for all time. Again, b of t tsaka I of t. Note that u of negative t equals 1 for t less than 0 and 0 for t greater than 0. Also, u of negative t equals 1 minus u of t. May given tayo kasing ganito, no? Okay. Yeah. Sabi, pag 20 of u of negative t, that is equal to, so 1 minus u of t, no? That is also equal to, ano yan? 20 minus 20 of u of t. U of t, hindi mu. Okay. So, parehas lang yan, no? So, kung ang u of t at t less than 0, 0 to. So, 20 volts yan. At t greater than 0, 20. That is equal to 1. 20 minus, baligtad, no? Nagbaligtad siya. Okay? So, may value siya at 20, at less than 0. Okay? So, initially, open siya. Okay? So, may supply to. Okay? May supply. So, kasi at t less than 0, 20 to, no? 20 volts yan. Again, ang initial voltage nito ay walang iba, kung wala nang drop to, 20 volts. So, initial voltage ng capacitor ay 20 volts. Okay? Yun. Hinahanap din yung I. Okay? Yung I nandito yan eh. Ayan o, I. Ayan o. Walang open. So, I of 0 equals 0 ampere. Okay? 0 ka. Yan. Okay? Nakuha na natin initial voltage and current. At t greater than 0 naman. Yeah. T greater than 0, ano mangyayari? Sabi, 0 volts daw to. Okay, 0. Op, switch close. Magre-redraw ko. Magre-redraw. Switch. So, open ko na to. Kukunin ko dito yung mamaya na. Kukunin ko yung RL. R equivalent. RTH. So, 3 amperes. 5 ohms. Voltage plus or minus. Okay. Ma-open to once ang kinuha natin yung RTH, ha? RTH, ma-open to. So, kapag na-open to, parallel lang yung 5 sa 10. No? Parallel lang yung 5 sa 10. Ten over 3 ohms. Okay? Then, sa isa, yung tau, RC. 10/3 times 0.2. 2/3 seconds. 2/3 seconds. Okay. B infinity. So, open to. Gagawin ko, re-redraw ko ulit. Ito yung 5. Ito yung open. Dito ko kunin yung B infinity. Then, another, okay. Kukunin ko later on dito yung I. Okay. Ganito class. Di ba alam nyo to, no? Yung pag change ng circuit, no? Kapag ang given ay current 3 amperes current supply, tapos dito 10 ohms. Okay. So gagawin natin, pag change natin yung supply, gagawin natin voltage supply. So equivalent siya, no? Diba ito 'yon? No. Equivalent, let's say ito AB. Point AB. Point AB. Okay, this is point A. So magiging series from magiging series circuit siya, 10 ohms to. Tapos yung supply magiging voltage, no? Plus minus. Okay. Point B. So solve lang natin by ito 10 times 3, 30 yan eh. Gagawin ko 30 volts to. Okay? 10 times 3, 30 volts. So 30 volts. So magiging ganito. Okay. Voltage supply na siya. 30 volts. Okay? Okay. So take note that ito ay 10 ohms, ito ay 10 ohms din. Ay 5 ohms, sorry. 5 ohms. So take note that yung B infinity ay equal sa voltage drop ng 5 ohms. Okay? So take note, yung voltage drop ng 5 ohms ay may voltage divider principle ulit, no? That is equal to 5/10 plus 5 times 30, no? Okay, tama ba? 15, 30/15, 2 times 5, 10 volts. Okay? 10 volts. B infinity is 10 volts. So, makukuha na natin yung B of T kasi meron na tayong initial voltage 20 plus yung infinity to. Infinity wala muna. Kailangan mong kape. sorry na. Bumagal na ako. 10 plus 20. So, minus 10. E to the negative t over tau. Ano yung tau? 2/3. So, magiging 1.5 t pa na ito. Lagay ko sa kabila. Yun na. Luwag pa dito. Oh. So, B of t equals 20. 10 plus 20 minus 10. Negative. 20 minus 10. Positive pala. E to the negative 2/3, 3/3. Negative 1.5t. Ayan. Or, that is 10. Ilabas na yung 10. 1 plus e to the negative 1.5t. No? Yan ang voltage B of t. No? That is a t greater than 0. Hinahanap kasi B of t tsaka I of t for all time. Okay? Take note, yung I naman, I. Kanina may I of t. Okay? Sir, bakit yan pala ang pag-solve ng I? No? Kasi yung B of t, yan talaga yung solve natin sa capacitor. No? Hindi yung current. Pero pagdating sa I, so lumalabas dito na i-consider natin yung ano, ang tawag dito. Yan. Na hindi siya solid state. Steady state. Solid state tuloy. Okay? Eh, yung I, ano daw? By KCL to, that is, yung current nito is I, no? CdB over dt. Yan yung current ng capacitor plus. Yung current nito, ano to? Um, voltage nito, ito, no? Voltage. So, B over 10, no? Voltage across this is voltage of the capacitor. Divide 10 ohms. Okay? Then, so, kapaligtaran niya yung 3 ampere, so negative 3. Okay? So, that C, ano yung C? 0.2. Derivative ng voltage, so, derivative nito, 0, 10, negative 1.5 times e to the negative 1.5t. Plus B, ito yun, 10 times 1 plus e to the negative 1.5t. All over 10 minus 3. Cancel, 10. Yan. Ito ay negative 3 e to the negative 1.5t. Ito naman, plus 1 plus e to the negative 1.5t minus 3. So, yung I of t is negative 2 minus 2e to the negative 1.5t. Pinilabas, negative 2 times 1 plus e to the negative 1.5t. Okay? Amperes. Okay. Pero yung tinatanong for all time, ibig sabihin, pag kinuha ko yung B of t, that is, ipepresent natin siya ng, ang value nito ay 20. 20 volts siya nung una eh. Okay? So, at t less than 0. Okay? Then, ang t greater than 0, that is 10 times 1 plus e to the negative 1.5t. T greater than 0. Okay? Tapos, sa current naman, yung current kanina, yung I, ano ba yan? That is equal to, ano yung voltage, ano yung current? Yung current na nakuha natin is, 0. Okay? 0. 0 naman pala siya at t less than 0. Okay? So, at t greater than 0, that is negative 2 times 1 plus e to the negative 1.5t ampere. At t greater than 0. Okay? Yeah.